Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both paths, Bluetooth paired and AUX physically connected. Enable Bluetooth and complete pairing steps, then insert the 3.5 cable so the phone detects wired output. Once done, install an audio routing app that lets you pick separate syncs for call and media. You do this because Android normally picks one active output. The app creates two virtual routes. Make sure to grant permissions the app requests, since it must control audio focus and routing to work reliably. You now configure the app. Open it and accept microphone and audio controls, because the app needs to manage audio focus. In Settings, set media or music output to wired headphone AUX, while assigning calls and notifications to the paired Bluetooth device. Once configured, play a song and make a quick test call. Listen for music through the AUX and call audio via Bluetooth. If the app offers profiles, save one labeled Bluetooth plus AUX, so you can recall this routing in one tap. To finalize, lock the routing profile and enable auto start so the configuration restores after reboots. Make sure battery optimizations don't kill the routing app. Exclude it from background limits. If you hear duplicate sound or no audio on one path, first toggle the app's permissions and reassign outputs, because Android can reset routes. If problems persist, restart the phone, repair the Bluetooth device, and reinsert the AUX cable. This clears driver glitches and often restores the intended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.